Hello, welcome once again. This is the continuation of the previous two presentations that I've uploaded on YouTube. Now, this presentation basically is of the same for the same client, the same location, same house, but with a different exterior view. The previous ones were the postmodern house design. Now this is with the same requirements but with a different elevation. Now this presentation will also be in different parts. So I'm starting this presentation with the basement plan. And for those who have asked these questions, I want to thank them a lot, and especially those who have appreciated it as well. So in just this presentation, I won't be able to answer all your queries, but we'll be addressing some of them. So this plan was basically made in AutoCAD, and from AutoCAD all these walls were extruded. So once they were extruded, then after doing that, they were imported into SketchUp, as you can see. And the reason of doing this was, as a lot of you have asked this question, let me clarify that too, that it's easier for most of us who've been working in AutoCAD to make a 3D, just extrude the walls. And once they're here, it's difficult to put in the furniture in AutoCAD. So that is the reason why I'm using these multiple softwares. As a lot of you have asked, if you go to SketchUp Warehouse, you're able to get some of the furniture. And a few things that you have to make, like the staircase here has been made in AutoCAD. So a few things which are easier in AutoCAD, I do that, and mostly is the furniture and putting materials, textures that SketchUp is needed. So once that is completed, we take it to Lumion, which I'll also be doing in this presentation. So since it's for a lot of various people, but the core is of the client himself. So I'll just explain the plan first. That this is, if you have seen the earlier one, this is almost the same plan, but of course there's a few things that have changed because the elevation will be not a postmodern one, and this we will have a kind of a, not really a neoclassical, but somehow that kind of elevation. That is the requirement of the client. So here I'll just run you through the plan. This is the basement plan. As you can see, that this is the ground level, and if you've seen the earlier videos, you can see you're going up to around like 3 feet above the ground level, and this would be a podium, but I've removed the roof slab so we are able to see what's inside. So just taking you around. So once you enter here, that is the lobby at the ground level. That's a podium, and then you enter the foyer if you like, and once you enter into the upper lobby area, you're coming down here. From that side you're coming here into a lobby in the basement. So as you come into the basement, if you come from the staircase, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doors. Now as you come, on your right here is your home theater. Now home theater is placed such a way that in the previous one what I had done was that the walking aisle was right in between. So I thought no, it should be on the side, because while you're sitting and viewing, the viewer should be facing the screen straight. So most of the time what happens is that the circulation area is right in the center where the viewing is the best. So I placed it on the left hand corner so that you can get a better view. Okay, now this, and then as there was a requirement, if you come to this part, this is a huge walk-in closet, or a large store if you will. And if you come on this side, you see this blank area. This is also a store, but this is more of an equipment store. There'll be electrical equipment for the whole house which will be placed here. So this is also located in the basement. And if you go on to your left here, there was a requirement which was added later of a gym. So you can see that there is a gym here. There's a lot of space. There could be more, but Usually for a house, this is more than enough with the equipment. And the best part is that the gym, although it is in the basement, it has all light as it would have on a ground floor. It has a huge walk-through window, French window, and you will get a lot of light. So as you come into the lobby again, you can see this door right in front of, almost in front of the staircase. That's leading to the drawing room. Now the drawing room is just right there, and since there's a sunken lawn, there's the same concept which was in the postmodern house too. As I said, the plans are more or less by and large the same. It's only the elevation which would be changed. So this will give you quite a good concept that that diversity of elevation should be there, depending on the need of the client. But the plan by and large, because the requirement is still the same, but the elevation requirement is different. So I've tried to address that in this. So you can see, you would already, as you can see, it's more of a neoclassical kind of a concept. And after this drawing, we come to this bedroom. Well, there's no furniture, which will be now the reason of not putting the furniture here is, you will see later that some of the furniture which is available in Lumion would be placed here. So the reason I was telling you about that, why I'm mixing, and a lot of people have asked that why do I have to use these 3 to 4 softwares, is because different softwares have their different capabilities, or their different advantages, if you will, and taking advantage of those advantages. So I've tried to use all of them and take the best parts and come up with a good presentation. So this is the bedroom, and from the bedroom you come into the dressing area, and there's a dress room here, and from the dress you come into the washroom, and as you can see again, the WC is missing, but there's a mirror, there's a vanity here. This is where the door will open here, and at the back of the door there will be the WC, and this is the shower area. So basically the whole requirement of the basement was that there should be a gym that is also has an opening into the sunken lawn. The drawing has also the same view, and the home theater will also have a small window, and you don't require large windows in that. And the bathroom has also the view to and the light through the sunken lawn on this side. In the previous one, this side was at the ground level and was not sunken, but since the requirement has changed that we have shifted a bed in the basement, so this bed needs a lot of light, and for that we have given it a sunken lawn. But for this, since it could be also used by some guests, so it needed another side entrance. So what I've done is that if you see on the plinth level, if you come up here, there's a staircase leading down straight into the sunken lawn. That will also help for people to come out here from the drawing up from the bed and come up to the ground level. So, and these areas that you see, this is basically representing sand, and these area will be filled up, because this basement is gonna go down, and all the earth filling will be done here, that will be extracted from this basement, and this will be filled up to here, and from that's where the ground will start. So now we'll move on to the Lumion part.